YouTube is a very easy platform. Most of us tend to complicate the process of creating YouTube videos more than it should be. It should not be as difficult as most of us think. When I was getting started, it was very difficult for me to think that I can create a good YouTube video, but with time, I kept on learning, and some of the things that I'm going to share with you today are some of the things that I've learned through experimentation and what I've learned from other people's videos. And I think this video will be very helpful to you if you think that YouTube is very complicated and very difficult. And at the end of the day, you will learn that YouTube is very simple and it is very easy. So the first thing that I want to talk about is focus on creating easy, simple videos. So if you want your content creation to be easy, the first thing you want to do is aim for simplicity. If you want to make a video, make it as simple as possible, at least when you are beginning content creation. And it is going to reduce the amount of time that you record your videos to the time that you are posting them on YouTube. YouTube does not need you to perform super edits. All you have to do is speaking authentically. Nowadays, YouTube as a platform has changed from those days when people used to edit videos in a very complicated way. People want to understand the story that you want to share to them, and the people want to get value from whatever that you are posting to them. Instead of focusing on editing videos in a very super way, focus on researching on the problems that your audience is facing. For example, you have a target audience on people who are trying to grow on YouTube. Focus on making a very simple video that can provide value to a person who is just getting started on YouTube. A person getting started on YouTube does not want to see a super edited video. What they want to see is a video that is simple and direct to the point. If you focus on that and you create videos that are very simple to you, that are very easy to make, then you will find it very easy for you to create content and to publish your content on YouTube, rather than focusing on something that is very difficult for you to make and very complicated. The other thing that will make your content creation very easy and simple to make is make a very simple system that you are comfortable with. What I mean by a very simple system is develop a schedule that will be very easy and simple for you. For example, when I was getting started, I had a very complicated schedule that wanted me to post a video every single day, and that was very difficult for me. It made me burn out very easily and very fast. So what you want to do is, if you want to grow your YouTube channel very quickly and very simple and very easy, develop a schedule that is very simple for you. For example, you can say you want to post 2 videos per week, and if you stick on that schedule of 2 videos per week, then it will be very simple for you to just take a camera, record your videos and post them in a very simple timeline, which is 2 videos per week. You don't want to complicate it to 3 videos per week if you are not comfortable with it. You should go with the most comfortable thing that you feel very simple for you to do. And that is the aim of me talking about creating simple YouTube videos. The other thing that you should do to make your content creation and strategy very simple is aim for authenticity. Aim for videos that are very authentic, and the stories that you share there are very simple, challenges that you have faced or encountered, and relatable stories that you can easily share without facing challenges when you are trying to talk to the camera. If you focus on the challenges that you have passed through, it is very simple for you to make videos that revolve around the problems that you have encountered, and that way you will be relatable to a normal human being, because people want to understand. People want to understand you. People want to feel like they have talked to a person. They want to feel like their problems have been clarified by a person who is not a robot. So it is very easy for you to create videos that you can relate on. So the other thing to make your content creation very easy is being yourself. I want you to be yourself from now henceforth. It is very simple for you to create a video where you are yourself, rather than trying to make a video that it is not you. What I mean by that is, most people, when you are trying to create your content, at least for the first few videos that you are going to create, you want to make videos like somebody else. You want to make videos like that content creator you saw on YouTube, and that is a very difficult thing for you to do. You can never speak like someone else. You can never act like someone else. The solution to that is try to be the most authentic self as possible, because that is going to release the pressure that you have, and that is going to make it easier for you to create content on YouTube. General motivation for everybody who is trying to create content on YouTube: be patient. It takes a lot of time for you to reach or to get to a point where you can just take the camera and record a video and post it. It takes a lot of time to get to that point. But with a lot of practice and experimentation, you will start to get to that point where you just only take one take and you post that video the way it is. It takes a lot of exercise. It takes a lot of practicing. The same way Ronaldo used to practice football, he used to go to the pitch every single day so that he can gain that skill of playing football. It is a very difficult task when you are getting started. At least when you are getting started, it's very difficult for you to get to being super perfect in front of the camera. But with continued practice, the more you practice, the more you grow, and the more your audience will start connecting to you. So it takes a lot of practice. It takes a lot of patience. It takes a lot of consistency to get to the point that you want to. Success does not come just overnight. It takes a lot of hours of preparation and time to get to the point that you think you have to get to. So if you are thinking that YouTube is very difficult for you, I think by now you see the problems that you see where you are going wrong, and I think that you should rectify to those points. And again, I want to remind you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And when you subscribe to this YouTube channel, you don't only grow with me, you get to see me growing in real time. This is me building my YouTube channel from scratch to somewhere that I have always dreamt of.